Want a quicker way to capture your screen without using both hands? Here's how to take a screenshot on your Galaxy S25 Ultra just by double pressing the side button. No swiping, no combo button, just a quick tap. This is a perfect trick if you often need to save something fast like a conversation, a sip or game moment, and one hand control. To do so, go to the setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features, tap side button. Next, tap double press. Turn it on if it's not already. Select Samsung Capture. Then tap the gear icon next to it. And then select Screenshot. To see how it works, double press the side button. As you can see, your phone will immediately take a screenshot. It even works when you are using just one hand, which is super useful when you are on the move. So if you are the kind of person who screenshot a lot, this shortcut can really save your time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.